So, hi guys, back working on the Z1R, and you probably noticed while you're looking at these forks, when they were on the bike they were black. Well, when I bought the bike, the guy said that he actually asked the dealership to paint them black before he took delivery of it. Don't know if that's true, but anyway, they didn't come standard in black. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this lower part here. So what I've done to keep it as original as I can, I've removed all that paint. I've gave it a bit of a polish, but at the moment I'm just about to change the seal on it. So I'll just set this up like that. I knocked up this little tool here that I used to put the seal back in. And here's the seal. I've already done one. This is the second one. I always put a little bit of the fork oil onto the seal because you want it all running nice and smoothly down the front fork, because you know, you want lubrication there. If it's dry, it's just going to destroy the seal. And then I also put a bit on the shaft, just so that that last bit there gets a bit of a lube. So you can see there's lubrication there, and I just slide it onto the top, bring it down. I'm pretty lucky the forks are in really good condition. So there's your seal. Push it down as much as you can. So that's pretty much down in that, as far down as I can get it by hand. And then I'll just slide this tool that I made, and I just start, I won't use the steel hammer, I'll use the soft hammer, because if I touch the fork tube I could put a dent or damage it. We don't want that. And then just tap it home. Just have a look. No. That one's home. Bit more there. That's home. So, you know, I don't know if you've done fork seals before. You've got this little spacer that goes in, and then you've got like a little retaining clip. It's a little bit like a circlip, just that. Slide that over the top and then click that in. There's a little recess, there's a groove inside, and that's it. That's the fork seal changed. So this thing's getting new fork seals. I've done the other one, and like I said, I took the paint off the lower fork tube here and given them a good polish, so it'll give it that factory look rather than have the black on it. I do want it to look as original as possible, so that's just one of the other things I just wanted to do to it. So yeah, thanks for watching guys.